Step inside the fairy circle. Come meet Downy Birch. We thrive where many trees would not, at higher elevations, in dank peat bogs, on clay. Though we stand in the middle of a riot of blooms, we too are susceptible to dieback. Our leaves are falling as fungi spread, yet trees, grown from our seeds, seem to be fighting back. Bluebells and red-cap mushrooms make homes beneath elegant wings adorned with heart-shaped leaves. Year-round, our restful, grey-white soul blesses these woods. We were cosmic to the Celts. Downy Birch, all about new beginnings we are.